The action camera market is buzzing once again. And this time, all eyes are on DJI. Known for redefining aerial filmmaking through its drones and pushing the boundaries of stabilization and imaging in compact cameras, DJI seems ready to shake up the handheld adventure cam space with its highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6. While the company hasn't officially confirmed its existence yet, leaks, insider whispers, and early prototype images have flooded tech forums and photography circles. These early signs suggest that DJI isn't just releasing a small iterative upgrade over the Osmo Action 5 Pro. It might be preparing the most cinema-grade adventure camera the market has seen to date. If the leaks hold true, the Osmo Action 6 will be a camera built for professional creators, YouTubers, filmmakers, and adrenaline junkies alike. This isn't just about making your mountain biking videos sharper or your underwater snorkeling clips smoother. DJI seems intent on making the Osmo Action 6 a hybrid of an action camera and a cinematic powerhouse, something capable of 8K resolution, larger-than-ever sensors, advanced stabilization powered by AI, and real-world usability upgrades that remove the limitations adventure shooters have been facing for years. In this long breakdown, we'll dive into every rumored feature, every possible upgrade, and what all this could mean for creators. Whether you're into extreme sports, outdoor travel vlogging, cinematic storytelling, or live streaming your adventures, the Osmo Action 6 could be the most important tool in your kit moving forward. The sensor upgrade. Why a 1-inch sensor changes everything. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Osmo Action 6 is its sensor upgrade. The Action 5 Pro used a 1.3-inch sensor, which already gave it an edge over many rivals. But insiders suggest that DJI is going a step further with a full 1-inch sensor on the Action 6. To casual users, that might sound like a minor improvement. But in the world of cameras, it's massive. A 1-inch sensor can capture significantly more light, producing brighter, cleaner, and sharper images in low-light scenarios where smaller sensors usually struggle. Think about filming a campfire at night, riding through a city glowing with neon, or diving into the ocean at sunset. Normally, these situations force creators to deal with grainy, noisy footage. But with a larger sensor, the Osmo Action 6 could deliver cinema-like clarity even after the sun goes down. This leap would essentially move action cameras closer to compact cinema rigs while keeping the portability and ruggedness that creators love. For YouTubers and filmmakers, this could eliminate the need to carry an additional mirrorless camera for low-light conditions, consolidating everything into one rugged little device. K video recording, future-proof or overkill. Another rumored headlining feature is 8K video recording at 30 FPS. This is almost unheard of in the action camera space. If true, it would be an astonishing leap forward. Why does 8K matter? At first glance, many might dismiss it as overkill since most people still watch content on 4K or even 1080p displays. But here's where 8K becomes invaluable. Cropping flexibility. Shooting in 8K allows you to zoom or crop into your footage during editing, while still maintaining crisp 4K resolution. This is a lifesaver for action shooters who don't always have time to perfectly frame a shot mid-movement. Future-proofing. 8K displays may not be mainstream now, but they're coming. Shooting in higher resolutions ensures your footage stays relevant for years. Cinematic storytelling. 8K captures incredible amounts of detail, from individual water droplets in a surfing clip to dust particles in a motocross jump. Alongside 8K, leaks suggest the Action 6 could also record 5.3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS for silky slow motion. Imagine slowing down a skateboard trick, wingsuit flight, or cliff dive while maintaining detail-rich, cinematic clarity. For creators focused on travel vlogging, cinematic YouTube edits, or social media reels, this versatility could make the Action 6 a one-stop shop. Stabilization 4.0 plus AI, a built-in gimbal? Stabilization has always been DJI's strong point. Their drone gimbal set industry standards, and their RockSteady stabilization rivaled GoPro's hyper-smooth. But the Osmo Action 6 might be the first action camera to feature AI-enhanced RockSteady 4.0 stabilization. Early reports suggest horizon leveling that stays locked even during extreme tilts and erratic movements. Picture sprinting down a steep mountain trail, skiing off-piste, or strapping the camera onto a dirt bike. Normally, this would produce jittery, almost unusable footage. With RockSteady 4.0 AI, you'd instead get video that looks like it was shot with a professional 3-axis gimbal. Smooth, stable, and cinematic. For creators, this is huge. It reduces the need to carry extra stabilization gear, which is often bulky and restrictive. The Osmo Action 6 could let you travel lighter while still capturing broadcast-quality video in the most chaotic environments. Rugged design and waterproofing, built for real. Adventure durability has always been key for action cameras, and DJI seems to be stepping things up here as well. Deeper waterproofing out of the box. Rumors suggest the Action 6 will dive deeper than previous models without requiring a case. Perfect for snorkeling, cliff diving, and underwater creators. Stronger chassis. Leaked prototype images show a slightly larger, more rugged body with reinforced corners. Refined look, alongside toughness. DJI may also introduce a sleek, sky blue finish to make the Action 6 visually stand out. This rugged but stylish design makes the Action 6 not just a tool, but also a statement piece for travel. Vloggers and lifestyle creators, battery and endurance, shooting longer. Without compromise, battery life has always been a sore spot for action cameras, especially with high-resolution modes like 5K or 8K. DJI seems to be tackling this with a dual battery system, a standard unit for everyday shooting and a Pro battery for extended use. Reports suggest that the Pro battery could support over 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. That's a massive improvement for creators filming road trips, hiking adventures, or sports events without constantly swapping batteries. If DJI can balance this endurance with heat management, the Osmo Action 6 could be one of the most reliable long-form action cameras ever built. Connectivity and workflow. Faster, smarter, more creator. Friendly modern creators care just as much about workflow as image quality. DJI seems to understand this, with leaks pointing to some very welcome upgrades. Bluetooth 5.1. Seamless integration with wireless microphones for vloggers and live streamers. Wi-Fi 6 support. Faster file transfers. Smoother remote control, and more stable live streaming. Increased internal storage, moving from 32 GB to 47 GB of built-in storage, acting as a safety net when you forget your SD cards. For YouTubers and professional creators dealing with massive 8K files, these upgrades could save hours of time while streamlining the entire process from capture to upload. Price and additions. Competitive yet. Premium leaks suggest DJI will release the Osmo Action 6 in 2 editions. Standard edition, estimated at $329–$429 adventure combo. Priced around $479–$579, likely including extra batteries, mounts, and travel accessories. This pricing places DJI right against GoPro's Hero 12-13 Black lineup and Insta360's One RS series. But with the rumored upgrades, DJI might be positioning itself as the premium choice for serious creators. Potential downsides. The challenges of pushing boundaries, as exciting as these rumors are, they come with potential trade-offs. File sizes. 8K footage is massive and requires powerful editing setups. Overheating risks. Extended 8K or 5.3K recording could cause thermal issues in hot climates. Pricing volatility. Global supply chain issues may affect launch pricing and availability. Even with these concerns, the hype remains strong. For many, the possibility of having a cinematic adventure camera outweighs the risks. Community buzz. Anticipation at an all-time high. Photography forums, Reddit threads, and YouTube comment sections are already filled with speculation. Some creators are calling the Osmo Action 6 the must-have camera of the year, while others joke about waiting for the Action 51 Pro. But whether you're skeptical or excited, there's no denying that DJI has captured the community's imagination. Even GoPro loyalists are keeping an eye on this release, which speaks volumes about its potential impact. Conclusion. The next evolution of adventure filmmaking. At the end of the day, the rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just about recording footage. It's about redefining what's possible in the action camera space. From 1-inch sensors and 8K recording to AI stabilization and extended battery life, this device could be the ultimate creator's companion.